everybody, I'm on my way to go shopping today, grocery shopping, and it is my keto week, so I will do keto shopping. Stay with me and you'll see what I buy when I go shopping for keto. Right, let's comment what we need on a keto diet. All the spices and herbs. In winter, of course, it's difficult to find fresh herbs. But don't forget, it's very important in keto. So I've got here some turmeric, some paprika, some rosemary, some spring onions, some coriander. So go ahead for plenty of spices. Of course, we need salt, good quality salt. So here I've got pink Himalaya salt, but you can also use other salts as long as it's good quality and not refined. Still in the spices, I like to have some mustard, very good for you. What else? Meat and fish. You don't see the meat here, but I buy good quality meat. I've got some bacon, some smoked salmon, plenty of little fatty fish. So here we go for the mackerels and the sardines. They're not my favorite, definitely. But I try to eat them. They're so healthy. They're rich in omega-3. Now on keto, no milk, of course, plenty of sugar, lactose, but I'm allowed some almond milk without sugar. I love to have a little bit of kombucha. So kombucha is healthy, it's plenty of probiotics, but let's go for kombucha where there's not too much residual sugar. Of course, coffee. Take organic coffee, otherwise you'll have plenty of pesticides. Very healthy for you. Don't add in milk. A little bit of cream, a little bit of almond milk. That's fine. And of course, if you want to add sugar, try not to, but then you can have some erythritol. This is from the Bioplanet, it's called sucre. What else do I drink? Tea. So green tea is amazing for your health, so don't forget to get some of that. You can add in some ginger, a little bit of lemon juice, it'll make it very nice. Now, what about dairy? I love mozzarella with some tomatoes. There we go, lovely red tomatoes rich in lycopene. Some cream, but high fat cream. I take the 38%, it's organic too. Then I like to have a little bit of yogurt now and again. So this is fantastic. Low in carbs, low in net carbs, and I eat it with a bit of berries. Now of course we're in winter, so I'm not going to get fresh strawberries or raspberries, but I go for the organic frozen ones and they are fine. Full of vitamins for you. So, cheese of course on keto, Parmesan cheese, Gruyere from Switzerland, delicious. All that's perfectly fine, but don't exaggerate with the cheese. Now, what about the oils? So be careful about the fats and the oils. Of course, ghee is wonderful. It's very stable. You can cook it at a little bit higher temperatures, but still be careful to stay low. I have some coconut fat. I use this now and again, especially for desserts. Then we've got very good quality rapeseed oil, some olive oil, of course. I forgot the butter. Don't forget the butter. Delicious fresh eggs. Of course, they must be organic, and even more important, they must be fed omega-3. Linseeds. Now, what else have we got? I love to have some coconut cream when I make a dish with shrimps and some curry and all sorts of vegetables. Now the vegetables here occupy a little place in the middle of the table, but they must be very abundant. So, broccoli, I don't know how you say this in English actually, pourpier, rich in omega-3, delicious to make a sauce, a soup, or as a salad. I know it's not the season, but it's so practical when you're on keto to make spaghetti. Now don't take always red tomatoes, for example. Yes, red tomatoes, but go for also the greens, the oranges, the different colors, the yellows. Don't forget to have many different colors. Artichokes, amazing. It helps you detoxify. Now, cauliflower is fundamental on a keto diet because you're going to make mashed cauliflower. You can make cauliflower rice. You can use it as rice with some steak and mushrooms. Garlic, of course. Onion, red onion, amazing for your health. Avocado, a must. It's very rich in protein and potassium and good fat, omega-9 fats, and it'll fill you up. We must have many cruciferous vegetables because those will help you detoxify. Now, of course, we like to have something sweet now and again. As I said, yogurt with red berries is sweet and delicious. I like to add into my yogurt a little bit of almond butter without added sugar. And then of course, some dark chocolate, at least 85%, delicious, a little square every day will make you happy. What else do we need? Nuts and seeds. These are so amazing because they are full of omega-3. But of course, these are the number ones. So, pecan nuts, macadamia, high in fat, not too much protein, and practically no net carbs. We had about 5 grams of net carbs for 100 grams. 100 grams is a whole handful. And of course, Brazilian nuts, full of selenium, so a few a day is excellent. Now, you're not allowed flour, so when I bake a cake or if I make a cookie once in a while, I'm going to use almond flour. So that's very nice. And then don't forget the seeds. Seeds are full of minerals and vitamins and antioxidants. So I've got some black sesame seeds, I've got some pumpkin seeds, and my favorite for health. Don't forget to see my video on that, specifically on linseeds, every single day. But grind them or they're worth nothing, they'll go straight through you. I was talking about no pasta on keto. That's a bit sad. Don't worry, you'll eat some in the future. But in the meantime, spaghetti, konjac and rice, smelly. It's in a liquid that doesn't smell nice, so when you open the packet, just squeeze your nose, rinse it well, add it into a dish that you cook for a while, like for example some shrimp with coconut milk and all sorts of vegetables. And at the end, add this. You'll see it will really fill you up. It's so easy to prepare. And if you like the rice, try the spaghetti. I put the spaghetti in some olive oil, cook it a few seconds, and add a nice bolognese sauce. The bolognese sauce, tomato, cooked tomato is really good for your health. It protects you against cancer. It's an antioxidant, but it must be cooked, it's better. So there we are. I think we've looked at pretty much what I buy. Of course, the important thing is to vary. Don't buy every single time the red tomatoes. Go for sometimes the yellow ones, the orange ones. Don't always buy the red pepper. Go for the green and the orange. So I hope I helped you to organize your keto shopping. If you did enjoy this video, thumbs up, subscribe, it's free, and bye for now.